Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. My name is JD and today, sobrang excited ako. Usually, I bring different cameras for different situations. Pag nagbabiyahe ako, ang dami kong dalang camera. Usually, meron akong action cam, meron akong 360, meron pa akong drone, meron pa akong mirrorless. Usually, mabigat siya. Imagine mo, lahat ng rig ko kailangan na-engine with the lenses and everything. Pero first things first, pag-usapan muna natin tong Osmo Pocket 4. One camera, all situation. Kasi ang goal ko is simple. Can one camera really do everything? Para hindi na magdadala ng maraming cameras in my trips. Actually, this camera wasn't even planned. I received this as a gift from my friend and partner, si John Ryan yan. So, shout out to you. Maraming salamat. Since pandemic pa kami magkatropa niyan, walang warning, this camera showed up. So, syempre, hindi natin siya i-test ng maayos. And nakikita nyo to. Sa lahat ng camera ko, itong Pocket 3, siya hindi ko masyado ginagamit. Bakit? Kasi hindi ko masyado type yung form factor niya. Mukhang ano, di ba? Alam mo na. Mas ginagamit ko pa yung Osmo Action 6 and of course yung mirrorless ko. Yun yung mga talagang every trip I have to have it. Feeling ko kasi ito maraming moving parts, may gimbal, tapos medyo delicate. So, yun. So today, I want to challenge that. Instead of switching cameras depending on the situation, I'm going to use this Pocket 4 as my main camera for everything. Kaya? Try natin sa vlogging. Pag food vlogging natin si Doc, ita-try natin. And of course, yung product B-roll. Important things na ginagawa natin. No backups, no switching, just this. So, anong bago dito sa camera na to? The biggest upgrade, yung 4K 240 frames per second, yung slow motion. Ito kasi 120 frames per second lang before, now 240 na siya. This one has a 14 stops dynamic range plus 10-bit D-Log, serious for grading headroom. Meron din siyang active track 7.0, meron siyang internal storage na 107 gig, battery life up to 4 hours, 2-inch rotating touchscreen, film tone presets. Maraming pinagbago dito sa dalawang to. So after putting this through to our test, I think the biggest realization ko is this. The best camera is always the one that you have with you. Kahit na iPhone pa yan, kahit ano yan. Yan pa rin ang best camera mo. Kasi when you limit yourself to just one camera, you start to think differently. Mas nagiging creative ka, mas intentional. You think before you shoot. And honestly, that's something I don't always do when I bring all my gear. Kasi sobrang convenient na eh. Kasi you have everything. All the lenses, all the cameras. Now, I tend to get lazy. Parang I rely too much sa post. Ay, okay lang yan, fix na lang later. Ganun na yung nagiging mindset ko. But with this challenge, I don't have that luxury anymore. So, I'm gonna be forced to get it right habang naandun ako sa situation na yun. And that is the challenge that I wanna do. And I'm hoping na magugustuhan ko yung output kasi I really like that, having that bokeh. So, I'm using the Pocket 4 right now. Hindi ko binago yung settings. This is the original setting that came from with the camera. I'm using the mic. Let's get into the video. Quick indoor test of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4.
Ito video. Sakto oh.
Okay na itong dalawang to. Boom! Seeing how well it performs straight out of the camera. So ngayon, andito kami ngayon sa condo namin and try natin tong Pocket 4 for low light. Currently, naka low light mode. So ang ilaw dito, dalawa. Kaya yan na. Pupunta na kami, medyo madilim na dito. Part na to. Liwanag pa rin, no? So walking lang kami dito sa may garden. And based on nakikita ko, medyo maliwanag pa rin siya. And yan na, still bright. Ito, pupunta natin yan. Wait lang. Yan dyan sa ilalim na yan. Medyo madilim na dyan. So ito, ang ilaw na lang na nito ay itong mga bulb. So, medyo maliwanag pa rin. Good in low light. Pero try natin tong ilaw. Yan. Ito, may ilaw siya, tapos naka-video mode lang siya. 4K 30. Maliwanag pa rin, no? So, ito yung with light. Ito yung without light. Liwanag pa rin. Maganda sa low light itong camera na to. Ang ganda. Hindi pa yan super extra low light dito setting na yan. Ito yung regular video lang yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Rockman. Ito yung mall na malapit sa amin. And meron kami pupuntahan dito na restaurant na gustong-gusto nito.
Ako lang.
Gusto namin. Actually, ito Japanese restaurant. Hindi mo siya basta-basta makikita. Nakatago siya. Nakatago siya sa likod ng convenience store. Ano pangalan niya? Konbini? Yun ang tawag, Konbini. Japanese convenience store. So ngayon, I'm walking and regular lang yung walk namin. Check nyo rin yung stabilization ng walking. Since pupuntahan natin itong Konbini na to, ita-try natin tong camera to for food vlogging. Try natin, no? So let's try it out para makita natin if the food is good. Pero, yeah, food is already good kasi we already tried. Ita-try lang namin tong camera na to for that part.
Vlogger yan.
Bago kayo pumasok, pwede kayo mag-order dito. And then the seating is way at the back. Yun, meron nakalagay doon na dining area. So, makikita nyo dito mga dining, mga Japanese products. So, marami kang makikita dito.
So, we ordered tonkatsu ramen. Pina-split namin into two kasi, you know, diet. Kaya gusto namin yung ramen dito kasi refreshing lang kainin. Tonkatsu pa. Sulit siya para sa quality in Japanese food.
Hi guys, good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa may Hemadis, tapat na Magnolia. Makikita nyo, itatry kami mag-pickleball. Then, itatry natin itong Osmo Pocket yun sa tracking. Itatry natin. Si Coach Leia. Coach Leia! Try natin yung zoom. Ayan. Ito, game na to, game. Grabe naman yan. Naka dito all the way. Naka dito all the way. Takbo. Yan. So ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa UP. Nandito kami ni Leia. And itatry natin yung stabilization ito. Meron daw siyang active stabilization na upgraded from third person. So this is the fourth person na. Try natin, tatakbo tayo. Jog muna tayo, jog. Jog. Try natin. Active stabilization. Kung gano'n ka. Sayang lang muna.
few moments later.
So, nakikita niyo tong stairs na to. Yan. Aakitin natin to. Ayan. Going up. Ayan, takbo. And then, going down. So, yun. Ano kaya magiging itsura yan? Okay naman sa footage. We usually go to UP Diliman on weekends and good place to walk. Kasi maraming trees. And of course, maraming pagkain. Mga paborito dito yung buchi at saka yung carioca pala. My favorite carioca. And of course, ang paborito ni Leia, taho. Pero ang question ko ngayon, kung papalitan ito yung mirrorless camera that I'm using now. Kasi hindi pa rin siya okay na cinematic feel. So, I think I'm still gonna be bringing my mirrorless cam. Ito papagamit ko na lang ito kay it's gonna be your camera. Plug and play, shoot. Okay na siya. Hinahanap ko talaga yung sobrang magandang background blur. Texture kasi na yung mga mirrorless hindi talaga makaya-kayang kopyahin ng phone tsaka ng mga action cam. They're getting there though, hopefully soon. So, magti-table tennis kami ngayon ni Leia and tatry natin itong gimbal na to, yung follow focus niya. Table tennis time. Yan, inactivate ko na yung active track. So, kahit saan ako pupunta, and gamitin natin sa paglalaro. Try natin. So, my final verdict using this camera, this is very capable. I don't think napapalitan niya yung mga cameras ko, but it will change how I shoot. And I think that is more important for me. This is the creator combo. So, of course, ito na siya. Ang difference niya, meron siyang ito na lang siya. Yung nag-work sa kanya. This feels a bit heavy. Tsaka yung difference niya makikita mo dito sa likod. Yan, makikita niya yung pins andito. Talaga ng ilaw yan. Ang kasama pa niya, of course, meron siyang handle. Ito yung charger, mic. Charger siya. And then, of course, meron siyang ito yung charging dock plus yung stand. Papasok. So, you can use this. Yung ibang mga pang Osmo Pocket 3 nyo, pwede nyo gamitin sa support. Meron siyang USB-C. Meron siyang yung lens, yung wide angle. And then, of course, it comes with a bag. Meron po siyang kasamang smaller bag eh. Ito yun. Tapos, meron siyang lalagyan ng ilaw. Oh, di ba? Nice! Ganda, may feel light ka na. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.